Hello there, travel enthusiasts. If you're looking for your next great adventure, let me tell you about one of America's hidden treasures, the Kentucky River. The Kentucky River is an absolute treasure trove of experiences just waiting for you to uncover. Let's learn more from the pages of Byways magazine. First off, let's talk about the picturesque towns that dot the riverbanks. Frankfort, Kentucky's capital, offers a mix of historic charm and modern amenities. Make sure to swing by the state capitol and the Kentucky History Center and Museum to get a taste of the region's rich past. Then there's Harrodsburg, the oldest city in Kentucky. Here you can explore Shaker Village of Pleasant Hill, a beautifully preserved Shaker community that offers a unique glimpse into 19th century life. Don't miss out on their farm-to-table dining experience, it's simply divine. And speaking of divine experiences, let's not forget the distilleries and bourbon tastings along the river. Bourbon enthusiasts, this is your paradise. The Kentucky River runs through the heart of bourbon country, home to some of the world's most famous distilleries. From Woodford Reserve to Four Roses, you can tour and taste your way through Kentucky's bourbon heritage. Buffalo Trace, Wild Turkey, and Castle and Key distillers are also on the river. There's nothing quite like sipping a smooth bourbon while overlooking the serene riverbanks. You can even enjoy a bourbon tasting tour on the Kentucky River. But it's not all about history and bourbon. Outdoor enthusiasts will find plenty to love too. The Kentucky River is a haven for kayaking, fishing, and hiking. Head to the Palisades, a series of stunning limestone cliffs that offer incredible views and great trails for exploration. And if you're into wildlife, the Kentucky River Wildlife Management Area is a must visit. Here you can spot bald eagles, deer, and even the occasional black bear. It's a nature lover's dream. The Kentucky River is more than just a body of water. It's a journey through the heart and soul of Kentucky. From historic towns to lush landscapes and world-class bourbon, there's something for each of us. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure.
We're adding new videos every week featuring the destinations along the highways and byways of North America. Give us a like and take a moment to subscribe and help support the Byways channel. Thanks for watching.